Hello everybody, in this video I want to talk about airdrop hunting and actually share one exercise with you. I'm asking you everybody to do please and don't ignore it because you know it's free and it gives you more chance to be eligible for the airdrop. So I did post it already in Medium and Telegram, but I assume more people are here, but feel free to join. So what I did post a list of 40 plus Discord service for potential airdrop tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 projects. Huge list, actually 47 projects. Yes, it will take some time for you to join these services, but why I'm actually asking for this, I think it was Sui who filters the people who was joined the Discord, and based on the list of people joined the Discord service, they was given the opportunity to be part of their initial token sale. Yes, it's not airdrop, everyone was confused, but I think this strategy could be actually repeated one more time with another projects, even top tier 1 projects. And I think if you do some activities and then you don't receive the airdrop because of Discord service, which is free, I think it will be very sad. So that's why I did this list. And what I ask you actually to do is to join the service and then, if possible, get the simplest role, at least something in the Discord, and please do some activities, maybe once per month, maybe once in 2 months, something, because again, another project, I don't recall which one for now, they was excluding people who was not acting for some period of time from their Discord because it was so many people, so many accounts in there. So please do some activities. And yeah, it could give you some more chances to be eligible. Again, I will put the link to Medium, I will put the link to the Telegram, and also it's another Medium article from me. This will damage your airdrop portfolio, and here I am sharing actually the free sample lesson I did in my course in Telegram bot about multi farming, but it's a sample lesson, plus I put it for Medium for everybody. It has many clubs in here, so I think it's also good for you to check. I won't talk about this in this video, but I will also put the link. It is the lesson on how you could warm up the wallets which are new. Doesn't matter are you doing multiple wallets or not, doesn't matter if you are starting with a new wallet, you need to do those activities and you need to follow those lessons. So it's a good thing for everybody, so I will also put the link to this. And yeah, everybody is waiting for layer 0 this weeks, and we will see is it just talks or something going to happen. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, have a good day, bye bye.